The video you are currently watching is a VOD from my Twitch streams and it's been cut down and edited, but if you're interested in seeing more of my content, I do stream over at Twitch, link is in the description, and I am also featured on 2 podcasts, so if you're interested in those, the links are also in the description. Enjoy the video.
I don't understand. What?
I can't wait
Can
for
you
my
not jump
shit
while going
running.
forward? Oh, fuck's sake. Well, just come here.
No, I'm gonna wait until we get it.
I don't understand the movement in this game. Fucking don't laugh at me. Fucking
I really want to kill this dinosaur.
bitch. Don't laugh at me. I'm sure I. You just come here to. You know what? You know fucking fuck.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I hurt him again. How much health is he on? Did you see how much health he was on?
No, it doesn't have health. Oh, he's dead. Guys,
He's dead.
Jesus
dead
Christ.
back.
Why am I
Yeah. I am TPing home, you can TP to me and then we can we can make you a spirit. He's green thing didn't pop up, bro. You can make
Because I
fun
kill
armor.
people with bones?
Guys, I may have misplaced something.
I don't kill boneless people, Rich. I kill boned people.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm up. Okay, I gotta do some blueprint shit, and then I can give you spear gun ammo.
What happened to the second floor?
Yes.
Sounds about right.
A
To be
paddle?
honest.
A versatile melee weapon that can also be used to paddle a kayak. There's kayaks in this game now?
Oh, I've got a diving tank. by the way.
Kayak? You can craft a kayak?
A kayak. Kayak.
Kayak?
Kayak, блядь.
The fuck is a kayak?
It's a kayak, yeah, dick.
Yeah, kayak.
Kayak, блядь.
Finally, I love it.
Empty propane tank. Does anyone have an
I've
empty
got
propane
a
tank?
diving tank.
But you have an empty propane tank?
No.
Shit. What the fuck? That's a lot of shit, bro.
Yeah, you can have it. I don't know what to do with it.
Most of this should have been
ideas.
Scooby.
So,
I
So
can
why
only
can
shoot
I
the
see
spear gun
this?
underwater.
Oh. It's kind of
That's
dope.
why I couldn't kill you. I mean, shoot it. This red light is really fucking with my ass. With my eyes.
Alright, well, that's cap.
some armor.
Right, do you want me to make a kayak?
Kayak,
Second,
kayak.
here you go.
A kayak.
Need some head protection,
Kayak.
bro.
Kayak.
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 Let me
Kayak.
get Saga some head protection real quick.
There you go. Kayak.
Yeah, I need to keep my noggin safe.
Right, boys, we have a kayak.
So, understand?
Yo, Richard Jordan mining?
I'm dismembering a body.
What?
Literally, Jesus. Oh my god, oh my
Hurry
god, what?
up.
Where's the kayak?
I can't
What?
TP to you, it says. Oh, you
Yeah,
must be
'cause I'm
caught
not
by
on
logs.
combat block.
The kayak's under the thing.
Oh shit, this guy on me.
Nani?
I'll get rid of the barrels.
Yeah, get rid of fast. We need to get our kayak. Is it gonna sink the kayak though?
God, I hope not.
I'm gonna die probably.
How long is that thing? Jesus.
That's really long. God damn.
Don't take that out of
Okay.
context.
There's a oh.
Oh.
I got it. Let's go. Oh,
Did
it
they over
land?
the land?
Yeah.
It landed on
quickly.
top of our house.
Yeah,
There's a
Can
naked
we
guy.
get up
fast.
there actually? Can we
There's
get
a
up
naked
there
coming.
somehow?
Jump on the workbench and then get through the door and then
Oh
loot
my
the
God,
shit
bro.
and then get inside.
There's a naked going for it. Guys, please.
I'm coming,
got him.
bro.
I got him.
Okay.
I've got one bullet though.
Okay,
We
get,
can go
get,
up
I
from
got
inside.
most of the good shit. I got I got an LR 300 and an AK.
Nice, we got a
Oh my
C4 as well.
god, nice.
Yeah.
I got your gun
Who's
if you want
that?
it, Rich. We just need to figure out how to make bullets.
Why'd you laugh at me, bro?
Oh, I thought I didn't see a name above
Wait,
your
that wasn't
head.
very.
I thought you were an enemy.
Can we make pistol bullets? Yeah.
I don't know.
Technically, yes. We can use the scrap to get to the research point where we can make bullets, if you guys want.
Oh, I've got one bullet right now. I just need.
Ooh,
Bullets.
unless we get a research. making research burns, so I'm building the base so I can put the research burns down, so we can research the content. We don't have to spend the thing. And are we
I
getting
can land
raided?
it.
Marco.
I don't know, bro. This
Sure.
shit's just boring.
Don't
He
do
missed
that.
every shot. He missed every shot. Thank God. All right, Hyper. Here's the strap.
It's gonna end so badly.
All right. If we hear them try to open it, like if we hear the dee
Mhm.
you're gonna open it and I'm gonna fucking murder him. All right.
The moment
Sexual.
I get out, close the door, okay?
Oh God. Oh God, I can't close this one. 'cause
You don't have
Come
code.
back, come back, come back, come back, come back.
That
Hold on a
could've-
second.
That could have gone so bad.
Boring as shit.
My
You can't
balls are
drown
rusted.
yourself in a river. That's stupid.
I think that actually might be TOS because self-harm. Can't make jokes like that.
It's not a.
Mm. You're playing on the edge, sir. Stop it. I like sometimes watch Miskiff. I actually, most of the times I just roll my
Who
eyes.
placed the second furnace down here?
I did.
You have
Why?
completely fucked me.
Would you like the sweet release of death?
I can't spawn home now anymore.
You're welcome. I'll place a little teddy bear there. Don't worry. In memoriam. Wait, but you made it. You can change it to whichever of these.
Oh shit! He just loaded the fucking book.
it's done done.
You shoot, nice shoot.
I didn't shoot.
That's fair enough.
What teddy? That's a big teddy.
You shoot. I
I'm
shoot.
warning.
Oh,
Below
put
me.
that away.
I want to drive the boat. I want to drive the boat.
I want to drive the boat.
Come
Oh,
with me,
drive the
Richard.
boat.
We shall try the boat.
I don't want to drive the boat.
Why not? I want the companion.
Have reconsidered.
Come to the boat.
Get him. Okay, but I'm gonna do the boat.
Yeah, but you're gonna come to the boat.
I have so much
I wanna
useless
boat.
shit.
Come to the boat. Don't do it. Hey, Richard.
Nice,
Hey.
nice
Hey.
tits.
Wow. Jesus. Are you throwing up?
What you gonna do now? Oh my god! Oh my god! Hold on, you Rebby. If the hatch is closed and you hold out the rivet just sticks out, so it's just a menacing door. Just there's a floating revolver just pointing straight at me.
No. I was getting shot. Everyone's so fucking hardcore. What are you guys doing, huh? What are you?
Hey.
What's happening? Sure.
Lionel.
Yo,
Okay,
the oil
buddy.
rig. That's not an oil rig. That's where are we?
Oh, yo, the above ground oil rig, bro.
I'm making my way. Oh, I think my voice has decided that that's enough for today. But I'm making my way towards large fishing village.
I'm gonna grab your balls and I'm gonna suck on them. What?
Wow.
I'm
Pretty
so
cool.
close.
Mm,
Yeah.
brave minds think alike. How long is that thing? Jesus.
That's really long.